In this tutorial, I will show you the process of deactivating your Instagram creator account effortlessly. Whether you want to switch back to a personal account, take a break from content creation, or explore other options, this tutorial will provide you with step-by-step how to turn off your creator account on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. In the Profile menu, click on the three dots menu located in the top right corner. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on the Creator Tools and Controls option. Scroll down and tap on the Switch Account Type option. Tap on Switch to Personal Account. A confirmation window will appear. Tap on the Switch to Personal Account button to confirm that you want to deactivate your creator account. Additional tips: back up your content. Before deactivating your creator account, it's recommended to back up your content, including posts, stories, and reels. Disable insights and branded content tools. Once you switch to a personal account, you will no longer have access to Instagram insights and branded content tools. Reactivate your creator account. If you change your mind and want to reactivate your creator account in the future, you can do so by following the same steps and selecting Switch to Creator Account instead. Congratulations! You have successfully deactivated your creator account on Instagram. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.